Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is not a daily vlog or something. I'll tell you the reason why I vlogged it. Let me just escape this traffic. So what happened was, like, I had a long ride planned for the Saturday to Udupi, and before every long ride I just check my tires, engine oil and all. So while I was doing that, I observed there's a little crack in the rear tire. So it's like, anytime it's like a time bomb. And also, like, for this particular Udupi ride, I have a pillion with me, and there is a luggage on top of it. So I didn't want to take any chance, and I'm on my way to replace with a new tire. Actually, I had a plan to change the tire anyway, because the CR tire which comes with the Meteor 350 by default, it was already worn out. It's not the side part, it's actually the center part has worn out. So it's kind of flat, literally. So in a downhill ride, what I observed was, like, it was skidding a lot. That I observed, even though my ABS, everything works perfect. I observed that, and made a decision to change it with a off-road tire. Off-road in the sense, like, it doesn't mean you need to off-road only. It would be kind of 50-50 off-road, 50 off-road and 50 for the touring. For the Meteor 350, you need a 140/70 profile and 17 dimension rear tire. So let me take over for a minute. When choosing the tire, you need to be very careful with the tire specification you will be installing. These tires have various numbers, names, and different models depending on the terrain you will be riding on. The next piece of information I'm sharing is very important one, because this is a question I have been asked by so many people when I posted a poll on Instagram. What are these numbers? How do I check what size is right for my bike? And should I choose an off-road tire or a touring tire? Let me clear that up for you. If you want to skip directly to the part of the video where the tire is getting installed and want to miss this crucial information, you can skip ahead. But for my biking enthusiasts, here we go. First, where to check your bike tire specifications? It's simple, yet most people don't know it. It's right in your bike's manual. To get the bike's manual, in my case for the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, just Google it and you will be shown a bike's model. I selected Meteor 350, and there will be a form shown for you to fill up some details. You can fill some dummy values. And after you submit the form, you can download it. And once you download the file, scroll down to the section where it says Technical Specifications. And there you go. In my case, it's for the front, it's 100/9019 M/C57P, and for the rear, it's 140/7017 MC6060P. You also get details of the recommended tire pressure as well. Now one more question arises. What do these numbers mean, right? Like 190, 19, 70, 17, right? Let me explain further. Let's take an example of the Meteor 350 again. It has the rear tire numbering as 140 70 17 M/C 66P. As you can see here, the numbering on a motorcycle tire such as 140 70 17 MC 66P provides a specific information about the tire's dimension, construction, and load and speed ratings. Here's the breakdown of what each part of the numbering means. 140 is the number represents the tire width in millimeters. In this case, the tire is 140 millimeters wide. 70 is the aspect ratio, which indicates the height of the tire's sidewall as a percentage of the tire's width. Here, the sidewall height is 70% of the tire's width. So the sidewall height is 140 into 0.70, which is a 98 mm. It's nothing but the 70% of 140. So the next number, 17. This number represents the dimension of the wheel, the rim, measured in inches, not millimeters. M/C. This is nothing but the tire is specifically designed for motorcycles. And the next number, 66. This is the load index, which indicates the maximum load the tire can carry. A load index of 66 corresponds to a maximum load of 300 kg per tire. And this weight is including the bike's weight and the rider's weight. Let's say if the bike weighs around 190 kg, then 66 weight index means that the rear tire can carry up to 300 kg, including the rider. And the next thing, the letter P. This is the speed rating, which indicates the maximum speed the tire can safely sustain. The letter P corresponds to a maximum speed of 150 km per hour or 93 miles per hour. So putting it all together, a tire labeled 140 70 17 MC 66P is a motorcycle tire that is 140 mm wide, has a sidewall height that is 70% of the width, fits a 17-inch wheel which can carry up to 300 kg and is rated for speeds up to 150 km per hour. And if you are still watching, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button.
Currently I'll be changing only the rear tire, that's the plan, and maybe after coming from Udupi I'll change the front tire as well. Riyaz bhai, bike ledla. The Reise Moto, they don't come with a 140 70 17 trail R model. So I actually checked with the team and Riyaz bhai as well. So I'll have to go with the Reise tourR model itself, 140 70 17. This one. Yeah, tourR radial 140 70 17. Yeah, it has a 6-year warranty and it started raining. That's how it looks once you install the tire and all. Here we have a Raise logo and all. Not gonna lie, it looks crazy good. वो थोड़ा दिखा देंगे क्या टायर का डायरेक्शन कैसे होना चाहिए कुछ करने के टाइम
है एरो दिया हुआ है न्यूट्रल कर रहे ये देख एरो दिया हुआ रहता है ऐसे पोजीशन पे बटन है डायरेक्शन करता है
Forty, 36. There was our old Tyre. तो ऐसे इसके सामने से डाल दो थोड़ा ग्रिप मिल जाएगा ना हाँ ऐसे डाल है ना